Just doing a quick alternator change on a 12.7. There you go. This is what I use to release the tension. Move the belt out the way. Take the belt off the pulley. You have 4 bolts that hold the alternator in. This one, they only had one positive wire connect to it. They already have it grounded right here, so I'm just going to leave it right there just like it is. I'm not going to change anything up. I'm just going to put it back just the way it was. Put the 4 bolts back in. Put the belt back on. Release the tension. Put the positive back on. Good to go. This is the old one. I'm waiting on the new one to come. A lot of times when you buy it, it don't come with a pulley on it. So you gotta take the pulley off the old one, put it on the new one. And easiest way to get the pulley off is to use an impact. Loosen the nut that's on the front of it. Use 2 screwdrivers or whatever could fit in between the pulley and the alternator. Wedge one in on this side, wedge another one in on this side, and that will pry it off. Take it off, put it on the new one, you're good to go. Sometime one problem you're going to run into is sometimes I have a sleeve inside there. Like if you look on this pulley right now, this collar right here is the same size as the pulley. Sometimes don't come like that. Sometimes you have a sleeve that they use to take up some of the space. I have one on this truck with the old one I took off. You have the sleeve in there. The new one, it was a little smaller, so I had to put the sleeve back on to make it fit. But if you get the same exact one with the same size hole as the pulley, you're good to go. You just put the pulley on, put your nut back on it, tighten it up, and put it back up there. This is a fairly easy job if you have the right tool to do it. If you don't have the right tool to do it, it's going to be a headache, especially getting the nut off that go right here. You could try get it off by hand, but with a wrench or a socket, but it's going to be hard to come off. Easier, a lot easier if you have an impact. As I always recommend everybody invest in this impact right here. Get you out a lot of situation. But it's an easy job, man. I'm almost finished. I'm just waiting on the new alternator to get here so I can put it back together.